and gentlemen, your next act for the evening, her name is Weina. Please welcome her to the stage. I'm Weina. Thanks for all my colleagues who warmed up the room already. So I'm happy to be here. And I'm Chinese. As you could imagine, all of us are very good students, and we are Kung Fu masters. And obviously, we're made in China. I am a good student. I love learning new things. When I was a kid, I listened to my teacher religiously. One day my teacher said, Weina, you have to study hard. Otherwise, you become the joke of the society. Oh my gosh, little may think, that must be scary to have people laughing at you. When I grow up, I just noticed that, oh wow, making people laugh, it's such a good business. You guys tonight, you even paid to laugh at. That's precisely why I'm here tonight in Germany. I come all the way from China to Germany to learn your world-class, famous sense of humor. Well, the sad truth is that actually I escaped from China to Germany for a very sad and a serious personal reason. I am a criminal. 35 years old, 14 countries traveled, 10 sweet, bittersweet, heartbroken ex-boyfriends. I'm still single. In China, I'm called the leftover lady. Like a surplus of the food by the end of each meal. Very sad and dark. And me, single-handedly, I am one of the major threats to the social stability, according to the China central government. By the way, pity poor French yellow jackets, yellow vest guy. They have to mobilize 125,000 people walking down the street during 4 cold weekends to get attention of their president. And me, single-handedly being single, already subvert society with over 1 billion population. Yeah, this is serious stuff. So, All Women's Federation in China published a very official government article. Quote, pretty girls don't need to study too much to marry into rich and powerful family. But ugly or average girls will find it difficult. They have to further their education to increase their competitiveness. But by the age when they get their MBA or PhD, when they finish their study, they're gonna be too old to be viable for marriage. So they're gonna to suspend my marriage license and send me to recycling center. What a bummer. So I escaped to Germany. I heard people here are crazy about recycling. You guys, I heard that you're even very good at upcycling. That's my kind of country. Voila, I'm here. So I packed all my valuables, 3 big suitcases, which are 65 kilograms overweight. I landed in Schönefeld Airport in a cold yet refreshing February. I smell hope in the air. For entire 3 hours, hoping my luggage would arrive. Because inside my luggages are all my important beauty weapons. I was taught I would need to thrive or to survive. I'm gonna to be the hottest leftover recycling that German has ever seen. Yes. But my luggage are not there. What can I do? I decided to take action immediately. Operation Find a Nice German Guy immediately. I took out my iPhone. Swipe, swipe. Left, right. Oh, this guy looks interesting. Oh, he has big blue eyes. Oh, this guy has big nose. So, oh, I forgot about blonde. Sorry. After a good hour of market study, finally my luggages arrived. I took my luggages, well settled down in a nice neighborhood of Schöneberg. After 2 days, actually, one message appeared to my screen. Hello, would you like to take a walk with me? Seems like we're neighbors. From a mysterious Mr. Mess. Oh, people told me your vibe attracts your tribe. Have you heard about that? Good. So I'm thinking, with all my new changes, I was a hot mess. Bingo, Mr. Mess! It worked so fast. So on our first day, Mr. Mess took me a walk in the nice neighborhood of Schöneberg. On the second date, Mr. Mess took me to a nice and hippie vegan restaurant. Of course. The first time I didn't eat chicken. What a pity. The third date, he took me over further to a walk in the Posta. I got discovered the German royalties and see the beautiful Sanssouci Palace. And by the way, I had to give up my beautiful high heels. Why high heels important? Because in China we take beauty really seriously. Like either you are the bigger contribution to the country's big economic prosperity by marrying into rich and powerful, or you're the biggest threat to society being ugly. And even further, even beyond, 2,000 years ago, our master Lao Tzu told us already, beauty is a virtue. And for every virtue, we have a strict standard. So what is actually a beautiful woman in China? A beautiful woman in China has 2 big eyes, dark eyes, like mature grape, and a double eyelid, please. Don't even ask me what does that mean, actually. And she has a small mouth, like cherry in summer. And of course, she has 2 tiny feet in high heels in Cassidy. That's why I feel frustrated. Every time after each day I dated with him, I feel frustrated. I feel it must be the last one. I feel how he could like me because I feel all the beauty weapons doesn't have any effect on him. He likes me for who I am. Wow, what a mess. I decide to reflect at home in the cold winter day. Instead of going out with Mr. Mess, I need to think over it. My deep insecurity and frustration take me to a coffee and to ask my question, who I am really. Am I beautiful enough? And by the day later, I received a message from him. Girl, you're amazing, just the way you are. Oh, that was not bad. It's not that bad to end up living with a mess. Deutschland will liebe. Du bist wunderbar.